Hibiscus plant is one of the best bloomers of summers. It grows really well in hot and humid regions, producing a lot of big size flowers time to time. So in this video we will see what are some things we can do to prepare our hibiscus plant for summers. These things will ensure healthiest flowering on your hibiscus plant all over the summers. So let's know, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. The first and the most important hibiscus plant growing tip is to move it to an outdoor sunny area so it can timely start its new growth. Right after the winters, when the temperature starts rising day after day, there is a bright sunny day daily, means it's time to move your hibiscus plant back to a sunny area. If it's already in the ground, then no need to move it anywhere. It's for a potted hibiscus plant. Indoor temperature rises slower than outdoors, so the season of hibiscus plant shortens if you keep it inside. Moving it in an open area will signal the plant about the growing season, and it will sprout new shoots from each branch. Another important hibiscus plant growing tip is to prune it a little. The start of the growing season is the most ideal time for pruning. You can do hard pruning as well as soft pruning. If the plant is already in a shape, then just light pruning is enough. Remove the dead branches, chop off the growing heads a little so they can grow multiple shoots from there. You can do this after the plant has started to grow new leaves, or also when it's not yet sprouted the new growth. There is a detailed guide on hibiscus plant pruning added in the description box. You can follow that. Another useful hibiscus plant growing tip is to do the repotting if needed. The start of the growing season is again very ideal for repotting the plant. If you follow the right technique, your plant will stabilize within a few days and grow in the new pot for all summers. And more room for roots means more room for flowering. But if your plant is already in a bigger pot and it's already have a plenty of room, there is no need to repot it. The simplest way to check if your plant needs repotting or not is to check the drainage holes for roots, or just dig up some pot soil to see how many roots are there. Or remember the last time you did the repotting of your hibiscus plant. Overall, repotting is helpful. There is a detailed step-by-step guide on hibiscus plant repotting added in the description box. You can follow that and do subscribe to our channel. Another thing to do before hibiscus plant growing season is to look out for the soil. Soil is a very important part of a healthy growing hibiscus. If the soil is good, it's gonna grow. If it's hard, nothing can make it grow. Soil is like a fundamental thing, you have to make it right. Hibiscus plant likes a well-draining and slightly loose soil media. If the soil is a little acidic, that can do even better. What you have to do is just see, is your hibiscus plant soil is good enough or not. If it's soft and well-draining, no need to do anything. But if it's hard or water-blocking, then you should do something. You can change it completely along with the repotting, or you can just add some sand or cocopeat on the top of the soil and mix it deeply. So at least the topsoil gets better. This way you won't have to disturb the roots. For making a free potting mix at home, you can follow the description box video. One more important thing in hibiscus plant growing tips is to fertilize it. You can do this thing after a few days of new growth, when repotting, soil checkup, pruning, etc. all is done. For the fertilizer, use a powerful nutrients-enriched fertilizer. Make sure it's a little acidic. This will absorb quickly. I made this fertilizer at home using kitchen-based ingredients like onion peels and homemade compost. You can also make it. It works really well for hibiscus plant. It's a complete and balanced fertilizer, perfect for hibiscus plant. Video on this fertilizer is linked right here. Just follow it and apply it every 2 to 3 weeks on your plant. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks.